And honestly, what I really don't like about that is you just have somebody eternally on standby, and I don't like that.
Congratulations, you made the team.
And then you're an alternate. So I really just philosophically don't like that.
Hey, Jelly Bean. What is wrong with you? Oh my goodness.
Okay, so
Are you seriously going to eat that?
Final answer to answer your question about
Oh,
Ari.
well,
I watched her a lot last night, and I
that's
watched her a lot
different.
tonight. I think she's a strong performer. She has good style, and she's beautiful.
Well, indeed.
I do.
No cooks.
What kind of conversation?
Hey,
did you have
Cookie.
with her to send her home? Yeah,
Hey, gorgeous. Hi, gorgeous. You are very special.
You have the easiest conversation.
Hi, lady.
Spots.
Hi, bear.